Hazrat Abu Masood Ansari radiyallahu anhu says, there was an Ansari whose technonym was Abu Shuaib and one of his slaves was a butcher. So he, Hazrat Abu Shuaib, visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was amidst his companions. He discerned the signs of hunger from his face. So he went to his slave, a butcher, and said to him, prepare for me food for 5 men, for when I invite the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to meal, he may be the 5th one. He thereupon cooked the food and entered the presence of Hazrat Abu Shuaib. He invited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but another man followed them. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, O Abu Shuaib, this man has come in our wake. So if you wish, grant him permission, and if you wish, refuse him. He submitted, but I give him permission. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5461.